Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out the value of these numbers. These numbers, they look very tricky, but actually it's not that difficult to work them out. I'm just going to show you how to work them out. It's not that difficult. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will be able to understand how to do them. But first, I would like to say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel and also press the like button as well. I'm just going to do question number one now. As you can see, 100 power 1 over 2. 100 power 1 over 2 means basically, it looks very confusing, but basically it means square root of 100. Simple. And we know that square root of 100 is 10. So your answer for the first question will be 10. Similarly, 36 power 1 over 2. So whenever it's power 1 over 2, it means square root, right? So it's 36. So it's 1 over 2, right? So 1 over 2 means square root. So we don't write, that's why I've written it just to explain you, but we don't write 1 over 2, right? Okay, so square root of 36 is 6. So your answer will be 6. Easy. Now 32 power 1 over 5. Okay, this is slightly different. It means we have to find fifth root of 32, which means we have to find a number when you time the same number 5 times, your answer should be 32, and that number is 2. As you can see, I'm writing here 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So your answer for fifth root of 32 is just the 2. Simple. Now, okay, 64 power 1 over 2 means square root of 64, which means 8, because we know that 8 times 8 is 64. And okay, fourth root of 181. This will be basically, we have to find a number when you times 4 times. We can write fourth root like this. 4 times we time the same number, we should get 81. And that number is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So your answer for this one is 3. And the last one is fourth root of 625. So this way we can write like this. It means we have to find a number when you time the same number 4 times, you'll get 625, right? So that number is 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. When you times 5 times the same number, you get 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 5 is 125, and 125 times 5 is 625. So your answer will be 625. Now, if we talk about this question, it says 16 power minus 1 over 4. So remember, whenever it's minus, we have to bring it in the positive. So in order to do that, what we do, we bring it down like in the denominator. So it will become 1 over 16. Fourth root of 1 over 16. It means we have to find a number when you time the same number 4 times, your answer should be 16, and that number is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So your final answer will be 1 over 2. Now I'm going to do the next one. It will be 1 over third root of 125, which means 1 over 5 times 5 times 5. It means 1 over 5, right? And this question is 1 over 64, third root of 64, 64. It means, again, we have to find a number which we time the same number 3 times, you should get 64. So now it will be 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So your final answer will be 1 over 64. Okay, now 1 over 4, because when you work them out, it will be 1 over 4. Okay, now if I do the next one, which is 9 power minus 1 over 2, it means we can write it down like 1 over 9 square root in order to make it positive. So it means it will be 1 over 3. Simple. I'm sure you can work out rest of these two, and I'm leaving these one for you to try. I've done these questions. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. And if you don't know any question, you can always send me a message, and I will try to solve that question for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.